So we'll see how it's supposed to be, guys. Associated. Okay, associated with, associated to. Associated, no, adjective also and verb also. Ed, no, can act as both adjective and verb. So I'll just send you something. Okay, I'm sending you in the WhatsApp group. Now I'm sending you list of adjective preposition collocation. When adjectives are joined with the help of preposition, adjective and prepositions are joined together, we call it adjective preposition collocation. Okay, so I'll send you that. That is important. Other collocation is fine, but this one is more important. So I'll send you onto the Skype chat box. You can go through it later on. So some of them I'll just read like this. Afraid of is your preposition. Eager for is your preposition. Associated with is your preposition, and associated is your adjective. Attracted to is your preposition. Attracted is your adjective. Angry about, angry is your adjective, and preposition is about. So this will help you, this will help you in this kind of context, and you will find a lot of them. Associated can be verb with ed, or it can be verb with ed form or v3 form of the verb, or adjective as well. Cognitive function, cognitive skills, adjective. Heart can be noun or adjective both. Heart health, and the heart. Linked ed is adjective, and you can link someone with something, verb also. Most ed can act as both ed verb and adjective. Relating, regulating is any word with ing or verb with ing. Turning is verb with ing. Activates is you can activate something, verb with s. Promotes is you can promote something, verb with s. Now here, drinking is not verb with ing. Okay. Juice is your noun, beetroot, and drinking water. No, you must have heard of drinking is acting as an adjective only. Drinking water, drinking something. So this is your subject only. A mix of mouth bacteria associated with. See, this is a collocation. You'll get to know that. If someone is saying something, or I don't know, I'm hearing some noise. Just maybe just mute from your end, guys.
Ma'am, is it from my end? I'm not able to mute actually.
No,
So
I don't know. I don't know. I just hear some noises. No issue, is fine. Just all of you mute from your end. That's it. We'll be fine then.
actually, ma'am, the problem is I'm not able to mute from my end. Maybe if you can try to mute me
Okay,
as you
I'll do that.
request. Okay.
Yes, I will.
I just removed my headset. So
No issues. Yeah, I have muted you. Now, so this is your subject, this is your object till the end. And according to this is your comma, is there no extra information from comma till here. So till brain function, it's your object. So subject is there, we need verb. This is singular verb, singular noun. So we need verb with s here no matter what, because it's singular subject, verb with s. Whenever we have in, at, I have talked about it before also, by, in, at, by, and through also. 90% of the time, no, we need verb with ing form. Throughh. So wait a second. Throughh. So 90% of the time, or mostly, most of the time, we need verb with ing form. Whenever we have in, at, by, through, you can write it down, guys. In, at, by, through, next to it, verb with ing form, 90% of the time. Now, health is your last word, so it's your noun. Object can be noun or adjective. So we need an adjective here because vascular is your noun, puberal is your adjective as well. Here, dash 2. 2 is there, no? So we need to find. We need to understand, because here if you see, the results is your subject, showed is your verb, other things are your object in here. So in between 2, 3 objects, no, sometimes they use 2, V1, sometimes adjective, preposition, collocation. So we don't know it. It can be anything. So we'll go with the content for this one, and we'll try to see if it's adjective, preposition, collocation also. So verb with s, we have activates and promotes. Okay. Then after that, What we have, sorry, just a second. Yeah. ING form, we have two options for this one. ING, we have relating, regulating, and turning. For this, we have three options. For this, we have two options. For adjective, we have one, two, three, four, four adjectives we have here. And for this one, we don't know. So we need to start reading it out and we need to make sense out of it. So drinking beetroot juice dash a mix of mouth bacteria associated with healthier blood vessels and brain function. What happens when you drink beetroot juice? Is it activating your mouth of mix of mouth bacteria associated with healthier, or it promotes? It is promote. You can only you cannot activate any bacteria in your mouth. We can only promote good bacteria associated with healthier blood vessels and brain function. So first one is the promote. Then according to new study, study of people aged 70 to 80. Now beetroot, this is an extra information. You can read like this. Beetroot are rich in inorganic nitrate, and many oral bacteria play in dash nitrate to nitric oxide. But you can read this also, extra information separately. Beetroot and other foods, including lettuce, spinach, and this celery. So beetroot and these other are, rich in nitrate, inorganic nitrate. And many oral bacteria play a role in dash nitrate to in nitric acid. So what you can do? Nitrate to nitric acid, ing we need. Relating nitrate to nitric acid, no. Play a role in relating, no. Regulating nitrate to, it is becoming nitrate, from nitrate to nitrate oxide. So it is turning them, no. Convert can also come, converting or turning. Synonym of convert, they have used turning. If they give it converting, no, you will get it in fractions of minute. That is why they are giving you synonyms. Which helps to regulate? See, always they're talking about blood vessels, brain function. Okay, these bacteria, if you drink beetroot juice and this kind of stuff, always help with mouth bacteria. They are just talking about the beetroot juice. Other foods like this promotes mouth bacteria, and also whatever good happens just with the the blood vessels and brain function. Here also, sorry guys, sorry, I don't know what I did. Accidentally, I did something. Sorry. Yeah, it's all good now. Now, here if you see what they are saying, what happens when many oral bacteria, what they do, play a role in turning nitrate into nitrate oxide, which helps this nitrate oxide helps to promote the blood vessels and neurotransmission. Blood vessels is blood vessels. Brain function synonym is neurotransmission here. Older people tend to have lower nitric oxide production, and this is associated with poor vascular. Poor vascular is the blood vessels is the synonym of vascular. Poor vascular and dash health. This is associated with poor. What poor? Vascular is for blood vessels and dash health. What health they are talking about? Brain function, neurotransmission. So health or cognitive, go with cognitive. This is how you have to choose. You need to be very open and you need to be conscious what they're talking about. That will make sense. In new study, this is your extra information. Okay, by which university they have listed. In new study, you can also read like this. 26 healthy older people took in two 10-day supplementation periods. One with nitrate-rich beetroot juice, another with nitrate-free placebo juice, which they drank twice a day. The result showed higher levels of bacteria associated with good vascular. Good vascular is again synonym of blood vessel or good vascular. It was poor, but now it has become good vascular and cognitive health. So always there will be evidences, so be open to it. And lower levels of bacteria dash to disease and inflammation. Dash to associated to or linked to, no? Association is, there is association between these two companies. But bacteria can be linked to some diseases, something like that. It is linked to. So this is the fourth one. Let me know if it's clear to all of you guys.
हेलो मैम।
या
टू के पहले क्या आ सकता है? यहाँ पे है ना
टू
टू
के पहले
डिसीज।
ये प्रीपोजिशन है, ठीक है, तो एडजेक्टिव आ सकता है। एडजेक्टिव प्रीपोजिशन कोलोकेशन मैंने ना आपको भेजा है, ग्रुप में आप एक बार उससे गो थ्रू कर लेना, ठीक है। जितने प्रीपोजिशंस है ना उसके पहले एडजेक्टिव आते हैं, तो जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट। वी कॉल इट एडजेक्टिव प्रीपोजिशन कोलोकेशन।
ओके।
एक बार उसकी लिस्ट रिवाइज कर लेना। So yeah, guys, I'm assuming it's clear to all of you.